Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of stan.store, one of the most popular tools creators are using right now to monetize their audience. If you are a content creator, a coach, an influencer, or a digital entrepreneur and you're wondering how people are selling products directly from their Instagram or TikTok bio, then this video is for you. Let's get into it and find out more about stan.store. stan.store is an all-in-one monetization platform built specifically for creators. It allows you to turn your social media bio link into a fully functional storefront where you can sell digital products, online courses, coaching sessions, and memberships, all without building a full website. Instead of sending your audience to multiple links or complicated checkout pages, Stan gives you one clean, mobile-optimized page where everything lives. When someone clicks your link in bio, they land on your stan.store, see your offers, and can purchase immediately. What makes stan.store different from traditional e-commerce platforms is that it's designed for social-first creators. It assumes your traffic is coming from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or X, not from Google search. That's why everything is optimized for speed, simplicity, and mobile use. In short, stan.store exists to help creators monetize faster, with less setup, and without needing technical knowledge. Now let us talk about the main features of stan.store. Link in bio storefronts. Stan gives you a clean, professional storefront that works perfectly on mobile. This replaces tools like basic link in bio pages and turns your profile link into a real sales page. Sell digital products. You can sell ebooks, guides, templates, PDFs, video content, and other digital downloads. There's no limit on how many products you can list. Online courses and memberships. Stan allows you to host and sell simple courses and memberships directly inside the platform. This works well for creators offering educational content, paid communities, or exclusive resources. Coaching and call bookings. You can sell one-on-one coaching, consultations, or strategy calls using an integrated booking system. Customers pay first, then book a time, which helps reduce no-shows. Email list building. Stan lets you collect email addresses from your audience. On higher plans, you can also send email campaigns and automated messages. Payments and checkouts. Payments are handled smoothly and customers can pay using common payment methods. Stan does not take a percentage of your sales. Upsells and marketing tools. If you upgrade, you get access to upsells, discount codes, payment plans, affiliate tools, and tracking pixels for ads. Overall, the feature set is focused on simplicity and conversion, not complexity. Now, let us talk about the pricing. For one thing, there is 0% transaction fees, so it's always free to make transactions. And currently, it is priced at $29 per month, which is quite affordable. Of course, you can get started with a free trial before you commit to a payment. What are the pros and cons of using stan.store? We'll start with the pros. It's extremely easy to set up. No tech skills are required. It is built specifically for social media creators. It has an all-in-one system that replaces multiple tools and a clean, minimal design that converts well. The monthly pricing is predictable because it's clearly stated, and no commission are taken from your sales. How about the cons? There's limited design customization compared to full websites. No SEO or blogging features. It's not ideal for physical products. And cost features are very basic. It's heavily dependent on you already having an audience. So stan.store works best when you're driving traffic from social media. If you don't have an audience yet, it won't magically generate customers for you. So having considered all this, is stan.store worth it? Well, if you are a creator with an existing social audience and you want the fastest, simplest way to start monetizing, then stan.store is a strong option. For coaches, influencers, educators, and digital creators, stan.store can be a very efficient monetization hub. However, it's important to be realistic. stan.store is not a replacement for a full e-commerce website. It's not designed for SEO-driven businesses, advanced branding, or complex learning platforms. stan.store is a creator monetization shortcut, not an enterprise-level solution. And that's it on the review of stan.store. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Gumroad, Warp, and Shopify. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.